Thanks, Daphne. It's been a while since I've had a Keller's burger. I know I paid my light bill. Daphne? 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 Woo! This is Rehab Rehashed for Quick Stop Automotive, owned by Robert Knapp. Highlight number 1, what's in a name? Contrary to what Shakespeare said, doesn't always smell so sweet. Hey Russell and Chris, I thought that this shop deserved a new sign and a new name, so I went with Knapp Repair and Auto Plaza. Huh? Good, right? Richard, that sign doesn't work or flow. Unless you're really sick and that's something really you don't want to talk about. Really? You guys don't like it? I can see it. Chris, can you see it? I can see it. We can see it, Richard. Oh! Crap. Highlight number 2 from this build. This place was a time capsule from 1979. None of their equipment lasted. I don't know about 1979, but in 1980, Smokey and the Bandit 2 came out. And that will last forever. And highlight number 3 from this build, a good businessman should never have his head in the clouds. I see a burnout. What do you see, Russell? I see the cloud of debris I leave behind after using my forklift. I see workflow. Woo! This has been Rehab Rehashed for Knapp Auto Repair. Be sure to tune in next week. Oh, now I can finally eat my Kellers. Who took my burger? Daphne, play back the security camera warehouse footage.